Hi guys, let's now see an example for use transition hook in React 18. So I have spinned up the React application already using yarn start. So the React application is listening to 3000 port. Let's go to 3000 port. Yeah, so this is the base thing which I have in my app. So now let's create a search component in the components folder, and using RAFC, let's have a basic template for a component and then map it to the app component. Search. Yeah. So now we should see the search component appearing in the app in the main page. So here, let's build more into the search component now. Say, let's have a input field of text type. So let's remove this name and ID. We don't need this. And on change, we can call a function search text. Okay. Before that, we can also create a use state for the text. Use state of with a default value as an empty string, and let's have filtered list and set filtered list, which will have a default value as an empty array. Okay, so now we can create a function called search text, which is an arrow function which passes in the event as param. First of all, we can set the state of set text to the e.target.value. Let's see how it is working. Okay, So whatever we type, it is in the search box, which is absolutely fine. Now, what we can do is like, let's have a for loop, uh, which iterates for around 25,000 times. This is just to see the uh, what we are optimizing through the use transition hook in the React. So uh, I plus plus. What we do here is let's have an array, empty array, and then array dot push of text. Okay, which we have a state for that. So after that, what we do is set filtered list of array. Cool. So now what we can do is like, we can map the filter list and just display each item in a div. Okay. So we, as we should return from the map function. So now if you see whatever I type, it is rendered in the screen, but you can see some lag in the rendering phase, right? So this is because we have lot lots of data, which is 25,000 data. We are looping through and just filtering the text. So that's why it is having some performance issue basically. So how can we get rid of this is what we are going to see in the use transition hook. So let's use transition hook from React 18, and we'll be having is pending flag from that, and also start transition method. So use transition is a function which takes in no params, and it returns us with a is pending flag and start transition method. So what we do here is, let's what is happening in the search text. So we are setting two states basically, one for the text and one for the filtered list. What we can do here is like we can start transition here, and start transition is basically a callback, accepts a callback param in it, and just move this logic of iterating through the large number of data. We are moving this particular set filtered list into the start transition. So what will happen now is, if you see, whenever we type, uh, text in the search box will appear instantly, but there is a some delay in rendering the filtered list, which is down the search box. We can test this out by using the is pending flag. So is pending flag returns a boolean. uh, if the data is still in the pending state, it is setting the state, then it will return true. So if it is pending, we can just have a do saying fetching, and let's see it in the action. So I'm typing in the data. So if you see, there's a fetching state shown when I type in the search box. So the text is shown immediately, but the filtered list is taking some time to complete the process and then render in the screen. So this is the use of start transition hook. Um so I believe you got some knowledge about the start transition hook, and you'll be ready to use it in your projects too. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe for more informative tech videos. Thank you. Bye bye.